Hey guys, Jack Scalfani here, and I am downtown, about ready to go into the first location to kick off Char Griller Barbecue Wars Tour Texas Edition. You guys asked us to come to Texas. We are here, Dallas, Texas, to start off, and we are at a place called Pecan Lodge.
That's the plan,
and there is a.
We're going to where?
We're going to Pecan Lodge.
Pecan Lodge.
And
oh, it smells so good.
there are people
Holy
calling.
crap, I can't take it.
people are calling Mitch right now, find out where we're going first.
Door, dude,
There's a line out the door. Pecan Lodge right here. There it is.
No, we'll wait in line.
It's supposed to be worth it.
Absolutely.
Man, when there's a line and it hasn't even opened yet. So there it is. That's what it looks like. This is what the line looks like. And they should be opening soon. Kind of reminds me of when we went to Joey's Pizza. There's a line there waiting, but this is like twice the amount of people. Okay, so we finalized the scoring. Here's what's going to be happening. We're doing chicken, we're doing ribs, we're doing pulled pork, and if they have brisket, they get 5 points bonus. If they have beef ribs, they get 5 points bonus. Every place. And then we're also judging them on its appearance, taste, and value. Okay, so all of those are 1 to 10 points. Each one is 10 points, except the 5-point bonuses, totaling 100 points. All right, so you guys, and for the sides, every place has different sides, so we're going to be rating 3 sides here. We don't know till we get in every place. Side number 1, side number 2, side number 3. We're not forcing everybody to have mac and cheese. We try to make some tweaks to from the last Barbecue Wars tour. Okay, so that's it. What?
I'm just laughing.
Oh, what are you laughing at?
I just think everything's funny right now.
All right, so what's the bonus meats again?
Brisket is 5 and the beef ribs are 5.
That's right.
And they better have beef ribs because we are in Texas.
I know.
And I don't want to hear another freaking word about it.
If we go to a place that doesn't have it, I'm going to talk to the manager.
I'm just going to
go. At every place, I'm like, dude, you're in Texas.
Stay in the South.
How is there no beef ribs? Unbelievable. All of you said, really? You're doing Barbecue Wars Tour in January? There's a line. I'm standing in the middle of it. I'm now almost in the middle of the line. So don't tell me that people don't do barbecue in January. In fact, I'm glad I'm here in January, so all of you ain't here. This way I can get to food faster. I love you guys. Okay, this is definitely a steer. But what I found kind of...
What gave it away?
What gave it away? What gave it away that it's a steer? I have no idea.
Dallas, Texas.
Woo!
Come on in.
Did they just welcome us?
Yes. Announcements before we get started. First, there's absolutely no reserving tables. Please stay in line with your group until you have made a purchase. Second of all, our express lane is open for those who are ordering a minimum of 5 pounds of meat or a special platter, the trough. That is right. All orders of a minimum of 5 pounds or the trough may go to our express line.
Or the what? The trough? The trough? What's the trough?
The trough?
Yeah, go in line.
Family platter, that's 5 pounds. You can order that at the express.
Oh, yeah. All right.
Okay.
Yeah, we're not doing that much. Sorry. Okay, so they literally don't let you save tables.
No.
They just warned us that. And they gate you in. We're literally steer for the slaughter. Look at this. These are the things they use for bull riding. This is how they run the bulls in. Okay, guys. Well, I'm not close up enough to get the board yet, but it does look like a really big menu. So let's hope they have all the meats, because we will dish out a 0 to any place that doesn't have ribs, pulled pork, or chicken. We'll get a fat 0. All right, so there we go. Bob just got his first order of the day right there. Check 1. Check 2. Joy is getting hers. They're kicking off the orders pretty fast. Okay, these guys have been rated the best in Texas. Smoking Good, Dallas Morning News, Star Telegram, the 100 best. These are, oh my gosh, it just goes on and on. No, he hasn't. All right, guys. Guy Fieri's been here. I like how he's just tucked away on the top shelf. Unlike the big wall murals he does at other places, he came here. So anyway, you got merchandise here. If you guys are a big fan, there you go. Brisket, pulled pork. They have everything. They even have beef ribs. I don't know how much those are. Giant beef ribs. They get 5 extra points just for having beef ribs, and they get 5 extra points for having brisket. We're subbing the barbecue smoked chicken with their fried chicken. We're still going to rate it as chicken. So they don't have smoked or barbecued, but they have supposedly the best fried chicken in all of the state of Texas. according to the media. Okay, what's your name?
Brett Brown.
Brett Brown. And
Yep.
where are you from, Brett?
From Flower Mound, but living
Okay.
down in San Marcos right now.
Awesome.
For college.
Have you ever been here?
No, I've never.
Never? Okay. Sir, how about you?
Bob Morrison. This is excellent barbecue.
Really?
From Highland Village, Texas.
Really? Okay, and your first time also?
First time.
All right, may I ask what you just chowed down?
I have a 3 beef with beef brisket and a rib and sausage, and then he got the hot sausage. So split it.
Oh, so you guys shared a little
Yeah.
bit. That's awesome. What did you think?
I thought it was phenomenal.
So it's totally worth driving from Nashville, huh?
Probably, yeah. I would drive from Austin to make this trip.
Awesome, you guys. Well, we're going to partake in a bunch of stuff. I got a beef rib also, so I'm going to try that out. But thank you guys so much for your time. Have a
You'll
safe
love
trip
the
back
rib.
home. Thank you.
All right, thanks.
Thanks, man. Mitch, talk to me. Oh my gosh.
Look at the beef rib.
What is
Look
that?
at the beef rib.
Wait, hold it up to your head. Hold it up to your head.
It'll be like a big smile.
Look at this. Oh my gosh.
Dude, look at that thing.
Check number 22.
Oh.
Check number 22. Brisket.
Oh.
No, it's falling off. Easy.
Okay.
Okay, that's
Anyway.
worth $22 right there. All right.
All right.
What is this right here?
The greens.
Collard greens.
Collard greens.
What else we got here?
The brisket.
And that's ribs also.
Yeah.
Look at those ribs, dude.
Good. Oh my gosh.
All right.
And then the pulled pork is over there. The coleslaw, mac and cheese and bacon, and the fried chicken, and don't forget the roll.
Wow.
Yeah, I know. All right, come on.
Let's do this. All right.
Hold on, we need
So-
to cut some of this out.
Yeah.
Just strip it to the bone.
You can't go
Oh
on.
my gosh.
You can't go on. What are you mouth watering about? Look at that.
This is a butter
That's a
knife.
butter knife. That's a butter knife. That's a butter knife. That's a butter knife.
Oh my god.
Char grillers, we love you for
Yes.
allowing us to even partake in this.
I gotta cut this in half.
This is why I want beef ribs in Tennessee. Look at this. Butter knife. Oh my goodness. All right. Oh my goodness. Unbelievable. Guys, I'm seriously crying right now. I cannot. Oh, never mind. I'm gonna go eat. All right, Mitch. What are you trying first?
I'm gonna have the rib, dude. I gotta have it.
Do it.
Look at that. Oh,
You put that whole piece in your mouth. Do you even need to chew it, or do you just press your tongue against it? Look at him. Look at him. He's euphoric. Unbelievable. Crazy.
it's better than it looks.
Better than it looks? Dude, it looks like flawless. It looks heavenly.
Yeah.
Serious.
It's better than that.
All right. Go to the collard greens now. Those should be like buttery or a little greasy, bacon greasy, a little bit of heat, a little bit of
Got a
meat
little
in
heat
it.
in them. Those are different than Tennessee, dude.
Those are better than the ones in Tennessee?
They're different.
Different.
It's more of a sweet taste. It
Really?
doesn't have the heat. Well, there's a little heat on the back end, but it's kind of sweet up front. It's interesting.
Okay, guys, we're doing this world famous fried chicken. He's just diving into it, and then I'm going to start chowing on some stuff.
That looks good.
Look good? Is it cooked to the bone?
I think so. Might want to. Is your light on that?
No, it's all good. It's all good.
All right, hey.
All right, just drop it in there. All right, here's the chicken. That's it. If it's not, give me the truth.
Check number 31. JT. Check number 31. JT.
I'm gonna let you try that, dude.
You're not even gonna tell me.
I don't
I'm
even
gonna do it
know
right
how
now. I'm gonna do it right now. All right. You want me to rip into the chicken? Here we go.
Just eat the chicken and tell me what you think. It's the first thing on your palate.
That batter is amazing.
I know.
I can't. What's in
I
it?
couldn't describe it.
What is it?
So good.
It's like no other batter I've ever had on fried chicken ever in my life, ever. I get it. Oh my God, I get it, guys. You gotta do the chicken, do the fried chicken. Amazing. Dude, don't tell me we hit our winner the first day. Don't tell me that. All right, you ready for more? Let me do one of these ribs, okay?
Yeah.
There's the pork rib.
Got it.
Comes right off the bone. Okay. We'll talk about that outside. Really quick, 2 more things.
What's
Pulled
that?
pork.
Pulled pork?
Pulled pork can go in any direction.
Absolutely.
Good seasoning. All right.
We can try the brisket. We'll try the
Beef
rib.
rib.
Do the beef rib and then do the
You're gonna do
brisket.
the brisket and mac and cheese, okay?
Okay.
All right.
You do
So
the
I'm
coleslaw.
doing this,
Yeah,
guys.
go
I
ahead.
want you to watch this. This is amazing. I'm not winning outside. That is amazing. All right, you're doing the mac and cheese with the bacon, dude.
Yeah.
You know the thing that's never at any barbecue joints.
Yeah, the mac and cheese.
Yeah.
And then they even put bacon in it.
Yeah. Look at this. Ooh, that's thick. Get it.
That's
Take
real
it all.
thick.
Take it all.
That's real thick.
Take it all. Take it all. Hey, don't give away all of it. All right. All right.
That's good. Yep.
And then a bit of brisket. Oh, that brisket is just falling apart. They cut it perfect. Look at the outside. Everything's got a perfect parting on it, guys. All right, go ahead.
Got good flavor.
Oh my gosh, so much food here. Just gonna take a little bit of coleslaw, a lot of red cabbage, almost 75% red cabbage in the coleslaw. Never seen that before. Oh, yeah, hold on. Yeah, try the coleslaw, dude. Try that. And wait, and don't answer until it's all gone. Your mouth goes through a whole bunch of flavors, dude, as you keep chewing. And what is that? Is it caraway?
Wow, that's got some heat.
With the seeds in it, the caraway
Seeds.
What are those? Caraway?
Something like
right?
that, yeah.
Something like that.
Ooh.
Sorry, guys, I totally blew it. That
That's
is
hotter than
spicy,
the greens. Way spicier than the greens.
but it's amazing.
It's outstanding.
I can't believe we just gave that away. All right, guys, I'm gonna taste their barbecue sauce. Hey, we're not here to rate barbecue sauce. Nothing special at all, very bland. But you know what, guys? I didn't even want to try the barbecue sauce because the meat is so seasoned. This place is booming right now. Okay, so I think as we ate things, we went from best to worst, and there really is no worse in this building. There's no bad at all. Okay, there's better, and then there's best. All right, the beef rib. It's worth 22 bucks. It's the best beef rib I had in years. Okay, you saw it. It melted like butter. We cut through it. It was unbelievable. The ribs, the pork ribs were just as good. The fried chicken was unbelievable batter. You got to check that out. The fried chicken truly is amazing. The collard greens were like no other. It's that recipe that I would kill for if I could find it. So I'm going to look for Pecan Lodge collard greens recipe because it was sweet and a little bit of heat. The coleslaw had a little bit of heat too. I loved it. It was unbelievable. I love all the red cabbage that was in there. Everything we ate was good, except I was a little disappointed in the brisket. It was leaned on the dry side. It didn't have as much flavor as everything else. So anything I'm going to knock is probably the brisket, and that's about it. It's worth the money. The prices are pretty reasonable to everybody else's barbecue prices. I love this place. Scores down below. Scores on the screen. We'll put it up there once we show you everything. And congratulations to this place. This place is like amazing. It's like top barbecue. So it's going to be hard to beat. Let's find out what Mitch thinks. Talk to me, man.
All right, I'm still getting the sauce off my face. What a way to start this tour, man. This place was amazing. Dude, was it not good or what? So we did all the meats inside. The fried chicken with the batter. It's probably the best I've ever had. It's just so different. And if you ever get in here, definitely do the chicken. You have to have a piece of chicken. That beef rib that was probably one of the best things I've ever had in my life was that rib. I mean, I've never cut through something so easily with a freaking butter knife, and then it melted in your mouth. The flavor was it was to die for. The mac and cheese was okay. The pork ribs were fantastic. They fell off the bone. The brisket was a little dry. The bark was good, but it was just a little on the dry side. Mac and cheese, like I said, a little, the bacon was good on it. But then we went into the greens, and there was something in those greens that I've never had them before. It was a sweet in the beginning. I don't know what it was fantastic. I would love to have them again. Hopefully they get those in Tennessee, because I would go to that restaurant just for that. And then the coleslaw? The cabbage, it was fantastic. Guys, this place was fantastic. I mean, it was probably one of the best I've ever been at in my life. But that's it for here. It's a great way to start. We will catch you guys at the next restaurant, okay? That's it for now.